Severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunderstorm watch.
Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina, Anson and Richmond, and the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, Lancaster, and Newberry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid light change in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 349 has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Anson and Richmond, and the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, Lancaster, and Newberry. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards WXL 70 broadcast.
All right, guys. Bye.